Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat oats daily? Now that's a question that's been popping up more and more as oats continue to gain traction in diets across the globe. It's no secret that oats are a staple in many meals, from a hearty breakfast bowl to a comforting dinner side dish. But have you ever stopped to think about why? What's the big deal about oats? Oats are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. And they're not just for horses, you know. They've been cultivated for thousands of years and have been nourishing humans for just as long. Today, they're celebrated as a versatile, delicious, and affordable ingredient that can be incorporated into a myriad of dishes. But beyond their taste and versatility, oats pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So, what really happens when you make oats a daily part of your diet? Let's dive in and find out. Oats, a seemingly ordinary grain, are actually quite extraordinary when you take a closer look. Let's dive deeper into the world of this humble cereal grain and uncover its nutritional secrets. At its core, oats are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. But it's not just any fiber. Oats contain a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. This special fiber not only aids in digestion, but also helps to lower bad cholesterol levels, controlling blood sugar and promoting a feeling of fullness. But the nutritional prowess of oats doesn't stop there. They are also rich in protein, making them a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. A single serving of oats can provide you with a substantial amount of your daily protein needs. Protein is a building block for our muscles and tissues, and getting a good amount of it in your diet can aid in muscle recovery and growth. Let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals that oats have to offer. They are a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which is essential for energy production in our bodies. Oats also contain a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies, including nerve function and maintaining a steady heartbeat. And the best part? Oats are incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer them in a hearty bowl of oatmeal, a crispy granola bar, or a smoothie, you're sure to reap these nutritional benefits. So, you see, oats are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a nutritional powerhouse, a versatile ingredient, and a boon for our health. They're a simple and effective way to add a nutritional punch to your daily diet. Now that you understand the nutritional power of oats, you might be wondering what happens when you eat them every day. Well, stay tuned, because we're about to dive into that in our upcoming scenes. So don't go anywhere. One of the most immediate effects of eating oats daily is an improvement in your digestive health. Now you might wonder, what's the secret? It's simple, really. The secret lies in the fiber content of oats. Oats are packed with dietary fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. This fiber is a bit like a superhero for your gut. As it passes through your digestive system, it forms a gel-like substance that slows down your digestion. This slow journey allows your body to break down food more efficiently, helping to prevent unpleasant conditions like constipation. But the benefits of oats for your digestive system don't stop there. They also play a vital role in nourishing your gut microbiota. Yes, we're talking about those billions of friendly bacteria living in your gut. These little guys are essential for a healthy digestion, and guess what? They absolutely love the fiber in oats. When you consume oats, the fiber reaches your large intestine relatively untouched. Here, it becomes food for your gut bacteria, helping them to multiply and thrive. A healthy gut microbiota not only aids digestion, but also supports your immune system and overall health, so a regular intake of oats can keep your digestive system running smoothly. But that's not all. Scene script. Beyond digestion, daily consumption of oats can have profound effects on your heart health and blood sugar levels. Let's start with the heart. One of the key components of oats is a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. This isn't just any old fiber, it's a remarkable one. It has the ability to form a gel-like substance once inside your digestive tract. This gel binds with cholesterol-rich bile acids, which your body produces to digest fats. Now here's the brilliant part. Instead of being reabsorbed into your body, these bound bile acids get whisked away when you expel this gel. What does this mean for your heart? Well, your liver needs to pull cholesterol from your bloodstream to make more bile acids, reducing the overall cholesterol in your system. This chain of events can lead to lower cholesterol levels, which in turn reduces the risk of heart disease. It's like a domino effect, started by the humble oat. Now, let's switch gears and talk about blood sugar control. Oats are low on the glycemic index, which means they cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar levels instead of a spike. This is great news if you're trying to manage your blood sugar levels, whether you're living with diabetes or just aiming for a balanced diet. The beta-glucan in oats plays a role here too. It slows the absorption of carbohydrates into your bloodstream. This prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, promoting better blood sugar control. It's also worth mentioning that oats are a source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial part in the process of carbohydrate metabolism and insulin regulation. So, you see, oats aren't just filling your stomach, they're working tirelessly to protect your heart and regulate your blood sugar. They're the silent heroes of a healthy diet, the unsung champions of wellness. It's clear that oats are more than just a breakfast food. They're a heart-healthy, blood sugar-controlling powerhouse. The benefits of daily oat consumption don't stop at your heart and blood sugar levels. They can also help you manage your weight and improve your skin health. Imagine you're in a war against those pesky extra pounds. Your hunger is the enemy, and you're looking for the perfect ally. Well, oats could be your secret weapon. The reason? Fiber, my friends. Oats are packed with a particular type of fiber known as beta-glucan. Now, this isn't just any ordinary fiber. Beta-glucan has a superpower. It forms a gel-like substance when it mixes with water. This gel slows down the emptying of your stomach, helping you feel full for a longer period. That means less room for unnecessary snacking and more control over your calorie intake. Sounds like a pretty good ally in the battle of the bulge, doesn't it? But the magic of oats doesn't stop there. They're also a boon for your skin. How, you ask? Well, let's dive into the world of antioxidants for a moment. These little warriors fight against harmful free radicals in your body, and oats are chock full of them. One such antioxidant is avenanthramides. These unique compounds are found almost exclusively in oats. Avenanthramides not only fight off free radicals, but also have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching effects. This can lead to healthier, more radiant skin. What's more, oats have been used topically for centuries to soothe skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. While eating oats may not have the same immediate effect, the overall health benefits, including improved digestion and reduced inflammation, can contribute to better skin health over time. So, whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or dreaming of a flawless complexion, oats could be your answer. They're not just a breakfast staple, but a potent ally in your health and wellness journey. Eating oats daily can help you maintain a healthy weight and give you glowing skin. Who knew? So, what's the takeaway from all of this, you might ask? Let's distill down the essence of what we've been discussing. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're not just a breakfast staple, but a potent ally for your health. We've talked about how they're a friend to your digestive system. The high fiber content aids digestion, helping to prevent constipation and promoting a healthy gut. When it comes to heart health, oats are a champion. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and maintain good ones, contributing to a healthier heart. And let's not forget about blood sugar control. The beta-glucan in oats slows down the rate at which your body absorbs sugar, helping to prevent sudden spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. This makes oats a great choice for those managing conditions like diabetes. We've also touched on how oats can aid in weight management. They keep you feeling full for longer, curbing those midday snack cravings. And for the beauty-conscious among us, oats can help to improve skin health. They soothe inflammation and help to maintain skin's natural barrier. In the end, it's clear that eating oats daily can have a multitude of health benefits. Maybe it's time to make oats a regular part of your diet.